Squeeze it.
Alright, the return of Greg. He's going a little lighter today. He's still nursing that injury in the shoulder. That's alright though. He's getting the pumps. Look at the back. Good. Let's go, Josh. Alright, so before this we did 6 sets of straight arm pull downs with the rope right there. Good, come on. It's heavy, dog, come on.
Let's go.
This weighs more than Josh.
Come on.
Like that. There you go.
And not much weighs more than Josh.
Come on.
There you go. Squeeze it out. Let's go. Get it. Come on. Nice, Josh. Woo. Hold it. Let's go. Come on.
Good.
All right, great. 2. Pull it down. Let's go. Come on. Hit it. Nice. Burn it up. Come on. Feel that speed. Let's go. Good, Josh. Come on. Keep moving. Keep moving. Let's go. There you go.
Good. Nice control. Good.
They got a drop here. I'm probably not going to drop because we're fucking really drop from extremely fucking light to 0. So there you go, Wink. Come on, squeeze. Nice. Burn it up now. Burn it up. Go. There you go, Rick. Come on. Bigwhit, let's go. Come on. Pull it. Go, Whit. Keep pulling, let's go. Get it back, let's go. Come on. Squeeze it. Alright, they're ragging this bitch right now. I don't want to show off, so I won't. Let's go. Come on, get it back there, Whit. There you go. Drop. That's a big fucking drop. Here we go. Burn that shit up. Let's go. He dropped half that weight. Come on. There you go, Whit. Come on, burn it up. Burn it up. Keep squeezing. Let's go. Nice. Come on, get it back there. Woo! Nice. Breathe. There you go. Come on. Nice shot. Go. Burn it up now. Ready? I'm gonna do a drop set too.
Okay.
Alright.
He's still nursing the injury. Come on. There we go. See, people, you pull to the back. Don't move the back. Don't pull at Josh reps. He breaks toes. Good. Come on.
Drop set.
Oh, yeah. Good game.
There you go, Whit.
Come on, baby. Good. All right, Josh, why don't you go?
Stuck in something.
It's the rope up top. Up front.
Technical error.
Yeah, there we go. We're good. Cable got jammed. Good. Josh is too cool for the flex leg strap. Yeah. Too much knowledge. Also probably too tall for this, but that's okay. Everybody learns. There we go.
Big country.
Squeeze.